The wait is over. Seedance 2.5, the next generation of Seedance 2.0, is finally here, and Lumina AI gives you early access before it's widely available on most other platforms. I've spent some time testing it, and today I'll compare it side by side with Seedance 2.0 so you can see the differences, decide which model best suits your workflow, and avoid spending your own time and money testing both models. BytePlus Seedance 2.5. Seedance 2.5 is now available in Lumina AI, BytePlus's official visual creativity platform. It can generate complete 30-second scenes, maintain consistent characters using up to 50 reference assets, and edit specific moments with simple text prompts, making it useful for YouTube, social media, client work, and business content. To try it, use the link in the description. You'll get free credits just for signing up, plus access to a limited-time 99-cent special package. Lumina is also running an exclusive bonus event with up to 50% off monthly plans. When you subscribe, you'll receive bonus Seedance 2.5 credits for the current month, giving you up to 7 minutes of 480p video generation for free. Now, let's give this new AI model a quick test. After logging into your Lumina AI dashboard, go to the Video tab. First, select the Seedance 2.5 model from the model list, then choose your preferred generation mode. Next, enter your prompt, upload your reference assets if needed, select the resolution, aspect ratio, and video duration, then click Generate to start creating your video. And here's the result. Seedance 2.5 stress tests. For months, Seedance 2.0 has been the king of AI video generators, setting the standard for quality, realism, and consistency. Now let's put Seedance 2.5's 4 biggest upgrades to the test and see why they matter. 1. Native 30-second video. I've personally run into the limitations of 15-second AI videos many times. For example, when creating AI videos for my TikTok affiliate business, the video often ends before I have enough time to fully explain the product and highlight its key features. With Seedance 2.5, you can now generate a complete 30-second video from a single prompt or extend an existing video while maintaining consistent characters, camera movements, and visual quality. Doubling the video length from 15 seconds to 30 seconds gives creators much more flexibility. You can tell a more complete story, showcase more product details, and create content that's better suited for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook, where keeping viewers engaged is essential. For this test, I used the exact same prompt in both models. Here's a side-by-side comparison of a 15-second video generated by Seedance 2.0 and a 30-second video generated by Seedance 2.5.
Every dia, nice ou se, ei, tinha fome de malha, de duas de recalê, tem ovo de galha, de do vento recalê, tom de ladira, raiz de do reixa não, mas de não dena de você. One, straight, yeah, oh, oh, yeah, vem do bem mais, yeah, oh, oh, cheio, tenho bem nice, yeah, oh, oh, cheio, tem de ser isso.
2. Up to 50 reference assets. Most AI video models place strict limits on the number of reference assets you can upload. When working on larger projects, you often need multiple character images, environments, products, logos, and even audio references. With limited reference slots, you're forced to compromise or leave out important assets, making it much harder to achieve the exact result you're looking for. Seedance 2.0 supports up to 12 reference assets, which can quickly become a limitation for larger projects. Seedance 2.5 removes that bottleneck by increasing the limit to 50 image, video, and audio reference assets in a single generation. With more reference assets, it's much easier to keep your characters, style, and branding consistent across the entire video. If you need additional reference images or don't have any reference images yet, Lumina AI makes it easy to turn your creative ideas into reality. You can create all the reference images you need using Seedance 5.0 Pro, all within the Lumina AI interface. To do that, simply go to the image page and select Seedance 5.0 Pro from the model list. Now, let's see how much of a difference this upgrade makes in a real-world comparison. Three, Seedance 2.5 Video Editing. One of the biggest frustrations with AI video generation is having to regenerate an entire video just because one small detail isn't right. Maybe the product has the wrong color, the background doesn't match your vision, or your client requests a last-minute change. Regenerating everything not only wastes credits, but can also change the camera movement, character consistency, and overall composition. Seedance 2.5 solves this with precision local editing. Instead of recreating the entire video, you can simply describe what you want to change, such as a character, product, outfit, or background, while keeping the camera angle, composition, and the rest of the scene exactly the same. This makes revisions much faster and more cost-effective, especially for commercial projects, client work, and branded content where small edits happen all the time. Now let's see how well precision local editing performs in a real-world stress test.
It hurts.
4. Multilingual prompting. Writing AI prompts in English isn't always easy, especially if it's not your native language. You often have to translate your ideas first, and sometimes the meaning gets lost, resulting in videos that don't match what you originally envisioned. With Seedance 2.5, you can write prompts naturally in Chinese, English, Spanish, Indonesian, Malay, Thai, Arabic, Portuguese, Vietnamese, Japanese, or Korean. Now you can simply write prompts in the language you're most comfortable with. This makes AI video creation much more accessible for creators around the world, while reducing the time spent translating or rewriting prompts. Not only can it understand prompts in multiple languages, but it can also generate multilingual versions of your content, making it perfect for creators or businesses that want to reach international audiences. So you can simply use your original prompt and translate it into different languages to create localized versions for different markets. To test this feature, I translated my English prompt into several different languages and used those prompts to create multilingual versions of the video. Here are the results.
Banquet! Enhabdum.
Now you can see why Seedance 2.5 is getting so much attention. These upgrades make AI video creation easier, more flexible, and give you far more creative freedom to bring your ideas to life. Now I want to hear from you. What features would you like to see in the next version of Seedance, whether that's Seedance 3.0 or something else? Leave your ideas in the comments below. Maybe your suggestion will inspire the next update. If you're ready to try Seedance 2.5, use the link in the video description or pinned comment. You'll get free credits just for signing up, plus access to a limited-time 99-cent special package. You can also join Lumina's exclusive bonus event for up to 50% off monthly plans. Subscribe this month to receive bonus Seedance 2.5 credits, giving you up to 7 minutes of 480p video generation for free. If you're a developer looking to integrate Seedance 2.5 directly into your own applications, the official Seedance 2.5 API is also now available on the BytePlus platform, making it easy to build AI video generation into your own products and workflows. Thank you for watching this Seedance 2.5 review. If you want to learn more about Lumina AI, check out this video for my beginner's Lumina AI Canvas filmmaking tutorial. And if you want to learn how to access the Seedance API through BytePlus, check out this video for my complete step-by-step guide.